3.
Hello, Salon Crew. This is Toy Tucky Town 2. Welcome to the next video. We got some new stuff. The puppies in it, and the jet skis in it for now. And we got these two sister brothers in it. Okay? So, let's share. Okay, I'll take something from here. Let me see. You're going to like this. This is Tweak. He's a girl, and he is a gup. And the gup put over here, but maybe back up. Okay. Here's the movie Babe. I hope you like this because it's a show. Movie Babe. I know you're going to like it. Here, we'll put it behind here. This is Pete. I call him Puffer Pete. That's his real name. He goes Chuggington. Now, that goes over there. It should go over here. This is Mr. Grouper. He's a boy. The key. This is Gil. He's a part of Double Gum with Mr. Grouper. They can go in the match line. They can go in there too. This is Mike the Knight. He goes with this doggy. We got our match, people. Just right over here, quickly. Okay. That's what I'm doing next. This can talk. It's a train, and it's singly press the button. We'll put it there. This is a part of it. This can go sliding. And that's it. That goes with that. This is a car. It goes with this. This is a volcano launcher. When you pull this down here, it swings like that. And you put some plate over there in it. And you swing it. And it shoots. Here. This is the train called Oh No, because it shows everything, and every show that there are accidents, like Oh No, Oh No, like that. This is over here. This is a little ducky. It goes in Ducky Town. This is chocolate and vanilla. This is a girl. This is my ducky. This is my brother Colin's ducky. He got chocolate. I got vanilla. That goes there. And we got all in here. That's everyone. Look at that. This is Diver Dan. He swims really cool. He's a diver. He goes underwater. He doesn't need to wait for anything. He just go alone. He's in the rescue team pod. This goes off queso. Queso. We got another one. That can go over there. We don't have that much stuff left. Okay. This is great. It got a compass on it on this side, and it has how cold it's out. And this thing is a whistle. That's it. It's a whistle. That's all alone. this? That cool guy. Okay. What else do I have here? Oh, you're gonna like this. This is the blocks that go. This is 1, 2, 3, and ABCs. Just like here. That finally goes in the pile. Gonna have to find another pile. Actually, that pile goes in there too. This is another volcano. You do the same thing with it, but it's a different color. So those are these guys.
Are you going to put all these back?
Yeah. This is the guppy. It's supposed to have something up there, but I lost it. The guppy comes with octonauts. This is Dinosaur-y. He got Play-Doh on his mouth. That's okay. He can stop anything, and his tail wags too. And when he pulls his horn, that opens it, that closes it. Like chomping.
Dylan. Wrap it up.
Okay, this is Batamo.
Let's end this episode soon.
Okay. We got the Chillington. Got one more, and we'll be done. Okay, we got a little more. This is a Lego guy you can get on the back. You put up a traffic sign and got the cone, and then motorcycle into blocks. That. Lego thing. Those. On over here. This is our last Chuggington member. It's Kelby. We finally got another one. You can see them over here. I almost forgot. This is Candyland. This is a girl, 2 boys. So, yeah, it's the candy castle. Okay. Jumper. Good thing you come out for me. I almost forgot. This goes with my nut. This is the dragon called Squirt. This is Mickey Mouse's plane. He'll be over soon. I hope, Gilbert.
Dylan.
This is Mickey. He goes with the plane.
I'm running out of space on here. You have to finish.
Quaddy goes with this group. This is a little people. We can put them over here. Here's another dinosaur guy. And this is an action bus. Dinosaur car goes over here. This kind of goes over here. Oh, Mommy. Come like that.
I'm not here.
This is a dinosaur. Because of this, we finally got our last one over in one. Actually, there's like a few more. One more. A Captain American shield. That will go over there. This is a train. This train kind of goes over here. Yep, the pedal will make it faster. This goes with fishing center. It's one. I hope you're gonna like it. See how many squares. This is the ball. It goes over there.
If only you could use those organizational skills for cleaning.
Okay. Like this. This is a train block. That's a plane. This goes with bubble guppies.
Dylan, finish it up.
Okay.
Dylan, it's going to end soon, so you have to finish.
Okay. These are astronauts. Now I'll just look through these piles. Take out these piles. And we got one more to be found. That goes off that finally. That was the end of the toy video. If you want to watch more videos on this one, please welcome it. So goodbye, everyone. See ya.
Can you tell them how to subscribe?
To subscribe, you push up here that says lot of toy videos. There on my head, and leave a subscribe. What was your favorite toy in this video? Bye. To see another videos, click on one of these. Bye. This is Sam Messi.